guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Crystal and I'm a full-time reseller on all of the things. You can find me as the Crystal Bear. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, Macquarie, ThredUp, and the RealReal. And today we're doing an unboxing video, which most of my unboxings are like blind unboxings. This one I actually know what I got, but I still want to show you guys. I'm pretty excited about it. And I'm going to be processing through this stuff today, so I figured why not do a video while I'm doing that. So 2 birds, 1 stone. We're all about efficiency here. So if you like what you see, if you are enjoying any of these videos, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up on your way out, and let's get to it. Alright, so I am going to apologize right off the bat. I watched back my last video, which is the first video I did in this room, and it is very echoey. And I'm sure that this one is the same because I still don't have a lot of furniture in this room, so it's just basically one big echoey room. So I do apologize, but it's the best place for me to film right now because there's not a whole lot of distractions. So sorry if that's annoying to you. We're still working out the mic thing. I needed like a adapter or whatever. My mom thought she had it. She didn't, so I just ordered it today. Hopefully that will be in time for maybe next week's second video. So probably won't be in for the mail out Monday video, but it should be in for the following video. So fingers crossed for that. So I apologize for the sound quality, but if you can hang on with me and get through that, then I will appreciate it. All right, we're doing an unboxing today. I've got my scissors. Opening boxes on camera is like, I should do like a monologue of them. Just monologue's not the right word. What's the word? Where you just like compartment. Wow, whatever. I'm not even gonna try because you don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about. Whatever. Anyway, I should do like a bunch of different clips strung together of me opening boxes on camera. It would be like a bloopers reel. Anyway, I ordered this from Daniella at ivynblush Bottega. I'm gonna put her information in the description. I almost said show notes, like that's like podcast thought. She has a YouTube channel, she has an Instagram, she has Poshmark Closet, she has a podcast, she has all of the things. So if you do not know who she is, I don't know where you've been, but I'm gonna link all her information, at least her YouTube and her Instagram, down in the description, and that way you can go check her out if you don't already know who she is. Also, I love her mostly just because she's from Rhode Island, and I feel like I don't ever meet hardly anybody that's from Rhode Island, so that automatically gives me like a kindred spirit with her. Anyway, I've been following her for a long time. She's done these like not so mystery boxes, which I really like because she gives you the opportunity to see what's in the box before you're purchasing them. If you've been a reseller for any length of time and you've purchased a mystery box, you know that sometimes it's just people's garbage. Like they just can't sell it, so they want to sell it to you, and that can be, I don't know, kind of shady because you're paying a certain amount of money for the stuff that you probably won't even be able to sell. So I have done a fair share of mystery boxes, like purchased some, and I've even sold some, but I do enjoy the aspect of this that is not so mystery, so I know what I'm getting, which is why I said in the beginning that this is not going to be like a blind unboxing because I did know what I was purchasing from her, and she was super helpful. We talked through DMs on Instagram, and she sent me a list of the things that she was thinking of sending me, and there was a couple things in there that like just don't sell for me. They're great items, they just don't sell for me, and that's the way the reselling world works, right? Some things that sell for you don't necessarily sell for other people, and yada yada. So I know what my customers are looking for, and some of the stuff in there, like I just want to be able to move. And so I said that to her. I said, hey, you know, can we swap out these 2 pieces? I just can't sell it to save my life. And she was super accommodating. She's like, yeah, absolutely. Let me look through and see what else I have. She sent me another couple of items. I was like, perfect. And we moved on. So now we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you guys what we got. So let me try and do this without being like, that was awkward on camera. I feel like opening up a box. I actually don't even remember what I got. I just remember I agreed to it. So this is going to be fun. First thing on top is a jacket. I don't remember. Okay. This is, okay, it's blank NYC. This is cute. It's just like a leather with a red and white stripe, like varsity stripe. It's got zippers. This is really, really cute. Blank NYC is kind of hit and miss for me, but this is just such a unique, like, asymmetric zipper. Looks like it's brand new with tags. It says small. This, I really love this. Like, this is probably my favorite piece, if I remember what else is in here, but who knows? My memory is garbage. You can ask my sister. If you ever watch us on the podcast, you can ask her, she'll tell you. Okay, this is Tobi, T-O-B-I. I've never found this brand before, but these look at least mid-rise, if not high-rise. They're distressed on the pockets. They're also heavily distressed on the leg. Skinny leg, light wash. You should do well. What size are these? 28, so not a terrible size. I prefer 30s just because I can't keep them in stock. That just is probably like more average size, but 28 still do pretty well for me. The like lower sizes, like 24, 25, even all the way up through 27, I have a harder time with, but 28 is kind of really where it starts picking up. Okay, I love these necklines. I wish I had more stuff for myself in this, like, this is called like mock neck or whatever. I don't even know. I don't know my words. Like, not fashionable. If you've not watched my channel yet, I hate to be the one to break it to you, but I'm not going to be the one to give you the keywords because that is not my strong suit. I am very strong in other areas of the business. Give me books, give me pictures, give me whatever, but keywords, that's going to be a no. Okay, this is Eileen Fisher. I love Eileen. Perfect, yes. This is gorgeous. Looks like full zip. Little sweater. Amazing. I did pay just under $9 a piece for these. I would pay $9 for this in the thrift store. So one thing you have to remember if you're ordering wholesale, especially if you're ordering from another reseller, but really wholesale anywhere, is you're going to be paying more money for these items, which sometimes you pay up for things. If you're a bins shopper, maybe buying wholesale isn't for you. What I do want to say though is I've seen a lot of people getting angry at the people that they're buying from, saying that, oh, I know you got this from the bins, you know, especially if it's somebody you follow. You're like, oh, I know you got this from the bins, and why are you charging me so much money? Listen, y'all, we're in business, all of us. This is a business, and they need to be making some money too. You didn't get your butt up and go to the bins and pick this stuff, so you're paying them for their time, you're paying them for their eye, you're paying them for their work to pack it up and ship it to you. You have to pay for things. Like, that's just how it is. This is the world that we live in, and if you're a reseller or any type of business owner, I feel like you should know that. Like, I'm like deeply offended when people try and get things from other people at like a discount because you feel like you're entitled to that. You're not. I'm just going to be the one to tell you that, okay? So anyway, pay for your things, y'all. Okay, and Durant. Next. Okay, cute. I like really don't remember any of this stuff, and she sent me all of the information. This is Lovers and Friends. I've never found this brand either. I've heard a bunch of stuff about it though, so this is size small. This looks like a dress maybe. Blue, this is very nautical. This gives me New England vibes for sure. Like a cuffed sleeve on the bottom, and I think it is a dress. This is very, very cute. I love these like button details on the shoulder. Adorable. Okay, next. What do we do? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there are 7 items in here, so there should be 3 more. Okay, this, I do not remember this. I feel like I would. It's like velour, maybe? Do y'all remember, I might be showing my age with this, but do y'all remember when you were in like middle school, high school, and you needed a full velour tracksuit because that's what was in, that's what all your friends were wearing? Or is that just me? Because I've been seeing these like TikTok trends that are like, tell me you're a 90s kid without telling me you're a 90s kid or whatever. And velour matching tracksuits. Like, that's all I need to say for you to know, like, when I was born. Okay, sorry. This is blank by MC as well. I'm not going to show you the label because I just showed you the label of the other one. It's a jacket. It's a jacket. It's got that like a neck. I don't know what the word is. It is a jacket though. It's got a zipper. I think there's a stock photo that goes with this, which is going to be very helpful because I feel like I would not be able to photograph this in a way that would do it justice. This is a size small as well. Definitely, like, there are some pieces, you know, that you just need a stock photo for because they don't hang right on a hanger, and time is money, and I just don't put things on a mannequin anymore unless it's absolutely necessary, and if I have a stock photo, I don't think it's necessary. Okay, this is Athleta. I actually didn't know Athleta made jeans, but I love Athleta. It sells really well for me. This is a brand with tags. Does it have a name? Let's see. Okay, so these retailed for $108. What? They're called the Sculptec Slim Straight Jean Gate Wash. I don't know. Ooh, these are very tiny though. Tiny people. Size 2. But they look high-waisted. They're a jean, which is fascinating to me because I've only ever sold their athletic wear. But Athleta does have a following, and a lot of their customers follow me because I sell a lot of Athleta. So I'm excited about this piece as well. When I first started reselling, pants were like not my favorite. They still really aren't like to photograph, but I found an easier way to store them and an easier way to photograph them so they're not as cumbersome as they used to be. And there's actually like a pretty good profit margin in jeans and pants and stuff like that. So I know a lot of people hate them. I feel you. But I'm like trying to make myself love them because the profit margin is just great. Okay, this is the last piece. This is American Apparel. I've also never found this brand before, so a lot of the stuff that I've gotten in this box, I've never found myself in the thrift store, so that's exciting. This is like very fun. This gives me like Lucky Brand or like Victoria's Secret like sleepwear vibes. I'm sure that it's like not that, but this is, I mean, the quality is very good. Let's see what it's made of. Made in the US, size medium large. And it is polycotton. 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. This is cute too. Size medium large is a great size. So yeah. All this stuff is pretty much in season right now too. So like I said, I'm going to be processing it today, and hopefully, probably not by the time you see this video, because I am actually filming this on Friday. Happy Friday. And I'm going to try and put it up today as well. So these probably won't be listed until sometime early next week. But if you're interested in something before it hits the store, obviously I can give you a better discount on that. So DM me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's at _crystal_bear, which is super annoying. All the underscores, I know, but the crystal bear was taken. And sometimes I tag that girl accidentally in things when people are like, tell me what your Poshmark handle is, because my Poshmark handle is altogether no underscores. And so I'll do that sometimes. And specifically when I join the like Thriftology share group, I'll accidentally tag this girl, and I'm sure that she's so annoyed with me. I apologize. If you ever stumble upon this video, I'm sorry that I tagged you in all of the things, but that's just how it is. Okay, so I'm very pleased with this box. I love getting inventory right to my door. I love getting inventory that I don't normally find. I love helping and supporting small businesses, and I was going to say local businesses because I feel like it's local to me, even though it's not. But yeah, and also I just love Daniella anyway. So if you are not following her on YouTube, you should go over there and subscribe to her channel. She does a bunch of stuff. She's a little bit different than most of the people that you follow in the YouTube community for reselling, which is exciting because sometimes it can get mundane watching the same stuff. And I know I'm guilty of putting out the same content as everybody else, like thrift hauls and what sold videos and all that stuff, and all that is great, but Daniella also does some other stuff, and she's pretty knowledgeable about fashion and stuff, which is something that I struggle with just in general. So I love watching her videos. If you're not already subscribed to her channel, please consider doing that as well. Her information will be in the description. And that is all I have for you guys today. hopefully pretty soon we're gonna get the sound figured out. We're gonna get the new mic up. We're gonna get some furniture in this room so that it's not so echoey. And yeah, so just hang tight, guys. I really apologize for the quality of this video, but it is what it is, right? And with that being said, if you are planning on doing something like YouTube or a podcast or something like that, and you're waiting for the right time to have all the equipment, to have everything perfect, just don't, because you get to see your growth when you're on a platform like YouTube or a podcast or Instagram or whatever. You get to go back to your first a couple videos and be like, oh wow, like the quality was really bad. I know I've done it where I've been like, oh, I figured that out, and then I figured that out, and then I figured that out. And it's really cool to watch yourself progress as well. Also, it's never going to be perfect enough for you, right? Like, even when I went full time, I had a conversation with my mom, like, am I going to be able to do it financially? Like, and she's like, well, are you ever going to feel like you have enough money saved up to do this? The answer is no, you're not. And at some point, you have to just make that decision to say, I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to do it scared, and we're going to push through. We're going to figure it out. And hopefully, whatever you're trying to do is going to be a blessing to you. And even if it's not, you're going to learn something. And that is just as important. Learning from your failures is just as important as succeeding, in my opinion. So anyway, if you were looking for a sign on starting your own YouTube or podcast or Instagram or reselling or whatever it is that you're on the fence about, here's your sign. Just do it. And thanks for watching me, guys. I really appreciate it. Until next time, bye.